Hi, today we're going to be outside because today we're going to learn about plants. So there are 4 things that a plant needs in order to grow. Can you think of what they are? What's something that we give plants to help them to grow? Water. Where do we plant the seeds? Where do we put them? In the ground, right? So that's soil. And then they need sunshine and they need air. So today we're going to do an experiment where we test whether or not that's true. So let me show you how we're going to set up. So here we have everything we need to set up our experiment. We have our soil. We have 4 cups and 1 jar. This is our control cup. This cup will get everything that a plant needs in order to grow. This one will get no sun. We're gonna hide this one in a dark cupboard or put it inside a shoebox or someplace dark. This one we're not gonna give any water to, but it will get soil, sun, and air. This one we aren't gonna give any soil to. And this is the one we're gonna use to not have air. So we're gonna seal it off so no air can get in. And then we have our water. So the first thing we'll do is fill it with soil. Now we have the seeds. I'm going to plant flower seeds, but you can plant any kind of seeds you want. Some other fast-growing seeds are things like radishes. They'll grow really fast, so you'll be able to see the results of your experiment faster. So I'm going to put a couple seeds in each container. Remember, this one doesn't have soil because this is our no soil cup. So I'm just gonna put a couple seeds in there. Now, which ones get water? Everyone but except the one that says no water. Now let's cover those seeds up with a little bit more soil. They don't need much. Okay, now we're gonna do some water. The only one that doesn't get water is this one because this is our no water experiment. So pour a little bit of water into this cup. And a little bit into this cup. Gonna let it soak in, then pour just a little bit more. So again, so let it soak. A little bit more. Okay, that one's plenty. Okay, this one I'm going to seal off. Now there is some air in this jar, but there is some air already in this jar, so it might sprout a little bit, but we'll see if it grows really well or if it grows really poorly. Okay. Let's go put our no sun in a hiding place. I put mine in a shoebox. And here we have all of our others in a windowsill where they get a lot of sun. So let's talk about why do plants need these 4 things? Why do they need water? Why do they need soil? Why do they need sunshine? And why do they need air? They need soil because that's where they get the nutrients to help them grow, like when we eat food. They need water because that helps them carry the nutrients to the different parts of the plant. They need air because they take something called carbon dioxide out of the air and turn it into sugars to give them energy. and they need the sunshine in order to break that carbon dioxide down so that they can turn it into sugars. So there we have our experiment for today. Now you're going to need to water these every day or every other day, depending on how the soil feels. So if you touch the soil and it's a little bit wet, you don't need to water it until it feels dry. Okay? Now remember, don't give any water to the one that we're not giving water to, otherwise it'll ruin the experiment. Okay, see you all next time. Bye.